300 years ago, Easter Island had a different name. They called it Rapa Nui. As boys, they had been friends. But theirs was a divided world, where the privileged made the rules.
I only believe in what I can see, what I can feel, and what I don't have. We were friends once.
As men, they would compete.
If he loses the race,
for the right to lead their people.
This is our chance. You must help me do the impossible.
And to win the woman that they both loved.
How bad do you want to win? More than anything. Enough to see him sacrificed?
Jason Scott Lee, Isai Morales, and Sandrine Holt.
help me! Help me! Help me!
The strength of their passions would determine the fate of paradise. Rapa Nui.